Uchiha Madara does not care what you think. He doesn't care. So let's draw him. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil and an eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So center point of my page is about here. We'll come across to the left a little bit and up, just above the halfway point, and do his eye. So typical Naruto eyes. So we just go diagonal first, and then it goes across the top, but then it hooks down, right? And then this line just comes across here, like so. So this like box-like sort of eye, right? So to level up your Naruto eyes, you gotta like thicken up the top eyelid, right? So you gotta like add a little extra thickness to his top eyelid and just this little sort of spike down here. See, that's what makes all the difference. Okay. Iris, so just like a semicircle sort of in here, just in between these two eyes, or these two lines, top and bottom. And then his pupil, put it in the center. You want it to be pretty small because he is focused. Smaller pupils sort of make a character look, I don't know, just more intense, like he's zoned in. And then Sharingan, so we got like Tomei, is that what they're called? I think it is. One there and like one above. You probably can't see it, you can probably just see like the spike of it. Right, so these little spikes on the Sharingan and these little circular lines that connect them can be added. Then Madara has sort of bags under his eyes. It's like he's tired. Like that. And then an eyelid line above the eye. And then a quite thin eyebrow. So it just comes back this way. Goes underneath his hair. It's thin, but it's a little bit darker at the front than the back. Like so. Like so. He's a cool character to draw, Madara. I've drawn him a few times. So, nose, just down here. So you can't, like it's behind, the other eye's behind his hair, right? So we got like a bit of a nose line there, like the bridge of his nose. And then just down from this, the actual nose line itself comes out from underneath his hair. So it's just like this sort of letter L kind of thing, curved, and then down there. And his nostril just be there. And then his mouth just below. So he's unimpressed. And his bottom lip just there. Chin, pretty square chin. Like that. Proportions of things. Eye to the nostril, about the same as nostril to chin. So here and here about the same. So say like, well, we got a head tilt, so I guess it's like the top eye lid line here. So like this and this are about the same. So that distance and that distance are about the same. And then nostril to the bottom lip line, about the same as bottom lip line to chin. Because it's kind of tilting his head back. Normally it's like the eye to the nostril, but that's smaller because it's tilted back, so that means it looks smaller. So here to here, about the same as there to there, roughly speaking. And that are about the same as that and that. And then his jaw, up like so. And then up this way, it goes behind his hair, so we can't see it all. Okay, so speaking of hair, so he's got like this sort of pointy like part in his hair that where they meet, right? So it's like just up here. So we got this sort of arrow, just like above this part of his eye. And then this side will come down, cross his eye a little bit. like so. You bring his jaw to meet it, and then he has another one that comes down, touches his nose just here, like that, right? And then little spike back up, like so. So we can just see more sort of fringe hair spikes here. So we go like a long one there, like a shorter one. Then we can see his collar. We'll make it hair, so we'll just go that way. And then hair spikes that come all the way around his head, right? So like so. Make this a little bit longer. Go around here, all the way. And they get longer now as we go down his back. And this one will go behind his shoulder somewhere there. So he's got that ninja collar armor stuff, right? So say here we got like a curved line for the top of it. So it comes up, across here, down, and then it goes this way. You might see another hairline here, like so. So this armor travels down his shoulder. Right, so you've got like a couple of layers of this. So say like here. And the next layer. Like that. And then there's stitching that holds all this stuff together. Another one. And same thing on this side, but it's like it turned away from us, you know, 3/4 pose. So a little bit trickier. So it's just like there. And then we go down this way. And again, we got like, it's behind his hair probably there. We got like another layer of it. Here. And we'll put like the one stitch. We could probably just see one. Just holding it on there. And of course erase any lines that you shouldn't see. So his neck, just here. And then his shoulder goes sort of off this way. And you could have like some neck muscles and a collar coming across the neck. And then we can just see another armor plate here. And we got some strings holding it on. Another hair spike finishes in there. There might be another little bit of hair just going down behind his neck there. And then we got like a shoulder line, fabric, sort of stuff there. And you put some, it looks fairly clean, you don't actually have to, but maybe some texture just on his armor. You could make him, what's the word, reanimated as well by adding cracks, but I just wanted to draw normal prime Madara because he's cool. I think that's it. Relatively straightforward. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.